Once more, greetings from our channel. With great pleasure, we present to you the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome, a distinctive glimpse into the future of road travel. Imagine being able to visit new locations with unmatched speed and elegance. The 2026 Motorhome projects a futuristic perspective while maintaining the essential elements of the iconic Volkswagen design. Attention is immediately drawn to the aerodynamic body lines, fashionable dual-tone paint jobs, and versatile matrix LED lighting. Its intelligent proportions give it a feeling of permanence without compromising space. Its motorized side awnings open up to the common area outside, and its electric pop-top roof blends in well. The RV's luxurious appearance is powered by contemporary all-electric technology, which also makes for a comfortable, emission-free, and quiet ride. With a 500 kilometers WLTP range between charges, the most recent Blade battery can power 2 electric motors with quick torque and a combined output of around 300 PS, 220 kilowatts. With DC fast charging, it is also feasible to charge to 80% in less than 30 minutes. The seamless integration of ergonomic comfort and user-friendly technology begins as soon as you step into the cockpit. The main hub for navigation, entertainment, and other RV activities is a 15-inch curved touchscreen that takes up a significant amount of the dashboard. A fully computerized driver display behind it shows all the pertinent data. Simple haptic feedback controls and an advanced head-up display make everything simple to use and operate. The multifunctional steering wheel is made of vegan leather and has capacitive touch controls. By turning the heated and ventilated driver and passenger seats 180 degrees, the cockpit can be transformed into a living room. The main interior area is calm and flexible. Eco-friendly elements like premium recycled linens, brushed metal accents, and FSC-certified wood trim are combined with contemporary interpretations of minimalist Scandinavian design. Ambient lighting with movable LEDs may elicit a range of moods. The comfortable L-shaped sofa may be easily converted into a second bed. In addition to offering stunning vistas, the cabin's massive panoramic windows and above skylights let in an abundance of natural light, which gives the room a feeling of openness and connection to the outside world. The sleeping area should be as comfortable and segregated as possible. The full-size bed, or queen size, depending on the configuration, has a high-quality memory foam mattress that ensures a restful night's sleep after an exciting day of exploration. Blackout curtains are included into the design to offer complete darkness when needed. It features a personal reading light, USB ports, and a hidden storage space under the bed. Pop-top roof types are perfect for children or guests since they have a fold-down ladder that makes it easy to access the additional sleeping area on the roof. The bathroom is useful and well-designed despite its small size. The bathroom's modern wet bath design includes a high-pressure shower, a water-saving cassette toilet, and an integrated fold-down sink. The materials provide adequate breathability to keep moisture out, are waterproof, and are simple to clean. Examples of practical enhancements include an LED-lit large mirror and ingenious toiletry storage. The RV's focal point, the kitchen, is designed to be as functional as possible in a compact space. It has a 2-burner induction cooktop, a medium-sized refrigerator and freezer, and a stainless steel sink with a pull-out tap. The sturdy surface of the worktops is easy to clean and resistant to scratches. There are many inventive methods to store food and cooking supplies, such as hanging cabinets and soft close drawers. An integrated water filtration system ensures clean drinking water, and a computerized control panel allows for the monitoring of water levels and kitchen batteries.